What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to make your own floor mats with cardboard and this anti-slipping rubber for floors. This is an anti-slipping rubber for floor. So this is going to be the shape that I'm going to use for with this one, with these floor mats, because this is the general form of the mat for the Mitsubishi Lancer. And this cardboard are extensions that I cut previously because I want this to be a little bit larger on certain sides. So I'm going to show you how the placement. I'm going to show you the placement of this, everything of this in the car. So this is the car that I'm going to be making the floor mats for this model of Lancer. So as you can see, here is the floor mat of the driver's side. Here you can see the shape. This is going to be the general shape, but as you can see here, it's shorter. We need this space right here to be in here, to be down here, down of this, under this plastic piece, and that's why I made the extension, because the extension is going to be here like the OEM one, and this extension is not going to interfere with the pedals. You can see this is the clutch. It's not going to interfere with the pedals, travel either the gas or the brake pedal. So yes, I'm going to cut this shape, and you can see this right here is shorter because this floor mat are for Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 8 and 9, and the Evolution have here something that you can place this part of the floor mat right there. Yes, now I'm going to show you the other floor mats, how I'm gonna do it. So the passenger side of the car, I'm going to do the exact same shape of this one. This one I do not want to put an extension because this is perfect, the space is perfect. So but in the rear ones, in the passenger rear ones, I'm going to put these extensions because I want it to be a little bit bigger, to cover a little bit more of the carpet of the car. Now I'm going to show you how this one looks in the car. So here is the original mat, the original OEM one, and I'm going to put the extension because I want this to cover a little bit more of the side of the mat like this. And to do the other one, you just need to flip this extension around, or the form that you are going to do with the cardboard. You just need to put it like this, obviously not here, there, but it's going to be the same shape as this one. And if you do not have a format or real format or something, you can do the form that you want with cardboard. You need to have cardboard to do the form, just like this, just as I made the extension. You can make your own floor mat. Here I have the format with the rubber thing for floors, and I'm going just to mark with a marker the form, the shape of this with the extensions, and I'm just going to cut it with this, with a razor blade. I'm going to cut it, and that's it. It's really easy to make your own formats. But if you do not have a format with this form, you make everything, you need to make everything with cardboard and just do the same. Put it in here in the rubber mat, in this rubber mat, and mark the shape and just cut it. And that's I'm going this and this I'm going to do it with the other format, and that's it. So here I have the shape. Now I'm just going to do the hole right here. I'm going to put one of these, just like this one, and I'm going to put it on the car. So here you can see I already finished cutting the mat. Here's how it looks. And now I'm going to do the other ones. So I just finished cutting the 4 floor mats. You can see here is the driver one. Now I'm gonna show you the rear passenger. Here you can see the rear passenger, and I also made this part for the center. As you can see, these things right here are gonna with the heat of the sun, they are going to shape themselves. You can see that one. Now I'm going to show you the passenger one. So here is the passenger one, the right passenger one, and yes, you can see this was I think a short video, but I hope it was helpful for you. You can see that it's easy to make your own floor mats. You just need cardboard. I used the floor mats that I have because I have it, but if you don't have it, you can make the shape just with cardboard and then coat it in the rubber. So I hope that video was helpful for you. Like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.